The thermal signature on the billet is stable. Cross-reference with the stress points.
Confirmed. The positioning is exactly as planned.
Geometric specifications are holding steady at 99.9%.
Approved for detailed inspection.
Look at this anomaly right here, sector 4. That shouldn't be there. Rerun the sequence focusing on the z-axis.
Reviewing the F-2B billet data. The surface topography is flawless.
Cross-referencing the spectral analysis now. All parameters are within tolerance.
The automated tool replacement on the Mitsubishi F-2B Arresting Hook highlights the efficiency of the 5-axis CNC machine, ensuring uninterrupted flow.
Check the tolerances on the pivot mechanism recess.
Reading within spec. The end mill operation is stable.
Zero deviation across the board.
Excellent work. We can sign off on this batch.
Ramping up to the soak temperature now. Confirmed. Hold the atmosphere steady.
See the fluctuation on the temperature profile right here.
Yes, it normalized quickly. The integrity is optimal.
0 0
The Mitsubishi F-2B's arresting hook requires flawless cylindricity, achieved through this meticulous robotic bore grinding process.
Check the trailing edge on the transparent display.
It's well within the geometric requirements. The grind quality is confirmed.
This robust aerospace-grade steel component requires extreme flatness and concentricity. Ensure
The surface appears flawless here.
Cross-reference section Gamma 7 on the schematic. Make sure the tolerances match the digital model.
the hydraulic damping cylinder is integrated with the main hook arm. Specialized robotic wrenches ensure a perfect seal.
Surface purity confirmed. Atomic level achieved. Acknowledged.
Proceed to coating stage.
A powerful, high-precision laser welding head emits an intense, focused beam. The materials fuse seamlessly.
The strain gauge on the cylinder is showing maximum deflection.
Acknowledged. Maintain current load for verification.
The thermal signature on sensor 3 is fluctuating slightly.
Check the acoustic emission data logs.
Look at the spike right here.
Oh.
That shouldn't be happening at this amplitude.
The thickness is within tolerance across all points.
Confirmed. The coverage looks uniform.
Manifest confirms Mitsubishi F-2B Hook, destination code 7.
Barcode scanned and verified. Ready for seal.
Ground support to convoy, you are cleared for offload at Bay 3.
Roger. Commencing final approach. Hooks are secure.
Structural integrity confirmed on all connection points.
Acknowledged. Proceed with the hook assembly sequence.
Final extension sequence initiated.
Solid feedback across the board. System check complete.
Carrier, this is F-2B, taxiing to Catapult 2.
Roger that. Clear for launch in 3.